Hi, my name's Patricia, and I'm going to show you how to make a rosette with a glue gun. We have scissors, paper, glue gun. I'm going to take my scissors and cut a circle out of my paper. And it does not need to be a perfect circle, just in a circular shape. And after I've cut my circle, I'm going to cut into the circle and follow the outer line. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be in this kind of snake shape. And you keep cutting until you have about this much left, about an inch of paper. And then you take your paper and you start rolling it from the outer tip. And you keep rolling it until you hit the center. Again, if it bends, don't worry about it. Just keep rolling it. It will turn out nicely. It takes a couple, it takes making a couple of the rosettes to get used to it and feel comfortable. But I promise you, even if the first one's not perfect, you will still be proud of yourself. This is such a fun project. All right, so I'm spinning it all the way till I reach the center, and then I let go. And then I put it back together a little bit, I press it in, and you have a beautiful rosette. But it's not finished yet. This is where the glue gun comes in. What I do is I take the glue gun, put a dab of glue into the center of the paper, right there, the center of my circle, and then I just put the center of the flower in and I press it so that it all sticks to the glue. Now be careful, the glue is hot, so you want to watch your fingers. And then you hold it for a moment, but it really doesn't take much time to dry. And then you have a beautiful rosette. You can stick a pipe cleaner to the end to have a flower, or you can add a wire, whatever you want, or glue them to a wreath. There's lots of different things you can do. But there it is. Enjoy.